Hello, this is Srikanth. Today we are going to learn about Haryanka dynasty. The last ruler of Bruhadrata dynasty, Ripunjaya, was dethroned by Bimbisara, and Bimbisara started Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisara ruled from the year 544 BC to 493 BC, nearly half a century. And Bimbisara tried to make his kingdom stronger, and he defeated Anga king Brahmadatta as well. Bimbisara had peace pact with Avanti king Chanda Pradyota Mahasena and even with Gandhara king also. Bimbisara made Girivraja as his capital of Magadha, and he married to Kosala Devi, the princess of Kosala and the sister of Prasenajit, the king of Kosala. He got Kashi as a dowry. Kashi was very rich in those days. It was a rich commerce center in those days. Bimbisara also married to Lichavi princess Challana and married to Madra princess as well. So because of these all activities, he made his kingdom stronger. Bimbisara was called as Jain follower by Jain texts and also called as Buddha follower by Buddha texts. However, it is not known whether he was follower of Jainism or Buddhism. Unfortunately, Bimbisara was killed by his own son Ajatashatru, and Ajatashatru came to the throne. According to Buddha Anuprati, Ajatashatru was motivated by Devadatta, hater of Buddha, and killed. Ajatashatru built Pataliputra's fort, which was in between Ganga and Son, and Pataliputra was his center of army. Ajatashatru destroyed Vaishali fort of Lichavi as well. And Kosala Devi, because of Kosala Devi's death, Prasenajit reoccupied Kashi. So Ajatashatru had to have a war with him, and finally they had a peace pact, and Ajatashatru married to Vajira, daughter of Prasenajit, the ruler of Kosala. And Ajatashatru defeated the Ganarajya Samiti in East. It was called as Ganarajya Samiti in East, and there were about 36 kingdoms there. Ajatashatru married to Princess of Sindhu, Princess of Sauvira, Princess of Avanti, and Princess of Vatsa. So because of his marriages, his kingdom became more stronger. Ajatashatru repented because of killing his father and asked for forgiveness in front of Buddha. He conducted first Buddha Sangiti, which happened in Rajagruha by Ajatashatru's help only. Buddha's relics were collected and stupa was built in Rajagruha. However, after Ajatashatru, Udayana took the throne. King Udayana built fort near confluence of Ganga and Son rivers at Pataliputra. In Udayana time, kingdom of Magadha expanded from north Himalayas to south Chota Nagar mountain range. After Ajatashatru, 4 kings ruled Magadha in Haryanka dynasty according to Buddha Anusruti. All of them were murderers of their fathers. So Udayana also killed his father Ajatashatru. Udayana's son Aniruddha and Aniruddha's son Mundaraja and Mundaraja's son Nagadashaka. Much information is not available about Aniruddha and Mundaraja. When it comes to Nagadashaka, he was mentioned in Puranas as Darshaka. Nagadashaka slew his father Mundaraja and ruled for 24 years. The people dispersed him and replaced his minister Shishunaga because of his cruel ruling, and it was a tyrann ruling. Thank you.